top stories. Robert Naurim upset over fabricated media reports on his mother's death. Exorbitant price of rice in Manipur takes heavy toll on people. And local clubs play big role in shaping Manipur society, says Minister Karam Shyam. Hello and good evening, I'm ONEL SAMBANDURAM giving you the Times of Manipur English news in details. Fashion designer Robert Naurim today made a fervent appeal to the media to refrain from publishing what is said fabricated reports on her mother's death. His mother Naurim Rekha, aged 66 years, was found brutally murdered at her Singzamai Makha Thoksomlekai residence, Imphal, on May 29th. Robert's father, Naurim Dizumani, aged 67 years, has been named as the prime accused by the police in the murder case. Robert was talking to newsmen at his residence. He regretted that in a race to get first-hand report, the media houses here are trying to cover unreliable reports over his mother's death.
Around information if final conclude culprit say agi father oiram da thogadi kanana responsible oidoino aduga kanana daita puraga mangkhive ijat amading mangkhive reputation jingse kanana halakadoino hoi if kaigum culprit oiramagadi news ta chawna hapiro sign tawdana si oirame habagi pawdo adu kashu adugi objection kashu leijade aduna makha tana interrogation tawnabai damakta adugi area amdang pibiu aduga journalists ki actual magi rules and regulation amadi ethics ngakna tawhaningi haina ai media sing infam da su ai request tawzari.
Rice is one of the most important essential commodities for human survival. It is the staple food of the people of Manipur. Here is an exclusive report.
In a historical fragment of Manipur, a man-made famine took place in 1939 when Marwari businessmen, together with the British, exported almost all rice produced in Manipur to other states of the country, creating food scarcity. Enraged over the act, women folk launched a protest in front of the Manipur Telegraph Office on 12 December 1939. British soldiers who were trying to control the protest brutally assaulted the unarmed women folk, and many were killed and injured in bayonet attack. Despite more rice is ferried from other parts of the country, the price of the rice has skyrocketed in the state now.
Mamangi sahi dadi ko hadaki sahi subaina tang badi sutang tang de sing isau siam na toina thokiba je cheng je doki bade ujiti kejida ahambada ko nifu piramba do hojiti nifu ga ni thoi mu pire adagi di nifu ga humdoi mu pire nifu manga mu pire sahi tangkai se jala ko je kejida huji nifu manga yora ba se sahi loiram dai kan da akoi phau cheng chaningai leida roi.
Local rice is being sold at rupees 45 to 48 per kg, which cost around rupees 30 to 34 few months back. We need to find out the reason for the steep price that we are witnessing in a short period of time. Superfine rice is provided to the beneficiaries at rupees 3 per kg under National Food Security Act. But some are not getting the benefit, some don't get the actual quantity entitled under the act.
Jing the Mamande, Hongto body like some Tangale, Mamang say he never did, Jing Punipan, Untra, Side Hendiaba, and the Handaki nifuga manga yoksale hoji adi yankhai yora adi akhoi ka mai hingadoino haba.
The exorbitant price of rice has taken a heavy toll on the poor and daily wage earners. People who own cultivated land may not face these problems, but working class people and laborer have to bear the brunt.
Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam today inaugurated a newly constructed building of Lilong Young Social Service Union LUSSO at Lilong Bazaar, built under his local area development fund. Karam Shyam, who was the chief guest of the function, expressed his happiness that the local club now has a new building. The club was established in 1958. The responsibility bestowed upon the elected members by the people has made it possible to take the initiative, he added. He asserted that local clubs have been taking active participation in social transformation and urged the club members to fight against drug management. He further emphasized the need for local clubs, organizations or Mairapaibis to have a social mindset at the grassroots level. Local clubs are often solely concerned of any issue, he added. Minister Shyam went on to say that he has done several developmental works of the constituency and promised that he will continue to do so. Floral tributes were also paid to the led members of LUSSO on the occasion.
Clubs in the Apilamka Taujaningi Samasaki Sana Lonchat Kaya Semdo Nanabahonavada, a Chopa Daita, Lowbugi Tanjadu, La Ebositi. Maramdi Akwe almost Manipur Daini Sumyang Bada 80-90% di Akwe Imaibil Sing Mauna Sing Karisinsi Quazarda Tobacco Sigi Si Patana Paxana Sinarapa Maduna Moy the Hell Hazard Werapa Tung the Lakada was generation effect over Adagi Moy the cancer la Quayaba Tabum Bigi Heart Ki Karigi Masi Nishan in a Kandam Yamna How support Amadona Kanlaga Paxana Sari Bakoli Batorising say Masi a quick club in our since in a Fazana awareness be but Tangai Fatria Mangani to Columbia Kangam the VI we mean Hiraga Toka the Vinati other Wakui societies that Yamna Sumba since awareness be but Kale a quick in Harul air monosity drugs the Aduga alcohol the Nisada Karida Taur labor. Other societies that toning the water, Mama, at the live. Even the Amna toning the Manipuri Prazana aspect of the water societies that told a crate.
A team of Narcotics and Affairs of Border (NAB) last evening arrested a drug peddler along with 3 kg of brown sugar at Jalanmam village, Churachandpur district. This was stated in a press note from W. Basu Singh, Superintendent of Police, NAB. The arrested has been identified as Pausle Haukip, age 52 years, of Jalanmam village, Churachandpur. As part of the security measures to avoid untoward incidents in Imphal city areas, Imphal West District Police Commando Bazaar Unit conducted search operation in and around Sani Mandir and Koyathong areas today. Altogether, 250 individuals were verified. However, 12 persons who did not possess proper documents to support their identities were detained and handed over to city police. Training Institute of Jute Items for Women under the Director of Social Welfare, Government of Assam, in collaboration with Rural Education Development Institute (REDI), kick off a training program on jute for women at Seramkul Rongpur Part 2, Silchar. Around 30 unemployed women are taking part in the training program. Social activist Sobo Momon Singh, master trainer Sunolata Sinha, jute specialist designer Rooney Sinha said on the dais during the event. Secretary of REDI S. Herajit stated that the training program was being held as part of women empowerment and self-income generation. He mentioned that generating income by selling jute products was the objective of the program and urged women folk to come forward and join the training. He added that women can also work at home and earn money after the training. It's now time for a short commercial break.
Manipur ki ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyang ki seba da leijari. Apamba service khanbiyo economic rate ₹15 per kilometer, standard rate ₹25 per kilometer, luxury rate ₹55 per kilometer with base fare of ₹40. Manipur ki district singi maruoina Senapati, Ukhrul, Churchanpur, Kakching, More, Chandela chingba sing Chananabagisu ataba mamalda book tawbiba yaragani. Manipur gi mapan gi lamsing haibadi Guwahati, Shillong, Dimapur, Silchar na chingba sing chananabagisu book tawbiyu loinana luhongba amadi atopa thabak thorom ki damakta su akhanaba discount pizari. Hena kupa maro ki damak contact tawbiyu aikhoi gi contact number 1800102795 natraga 8794613154. Aikoigi website www.lamjingbacafe.com.
Manipur State Transport MST na ahongba nungaiba amasung arapa mafam kayada matam chana yohonduna Manipur gi praja miyamda inter district bus service haudokhrabagi makha tarakpa oina lakliba June gi tarik 5 dagi Imphal to Ziribam bus service haudokcharagani. Ahongba nungaiba amasung matam chana yohnabagi pandamda changselakliba MST gi bus service asibu fangnaba praja miyamda advance booking gi khudongchaba amasu pizari. Masigi damak adom gi apamba seat soida na fangnanaba mangzaunana miyamna MST office Moirangkhomda lakpiduna ticket reservation tawbiho. Makhatana MST na shuti holiday numita bus hiring tawbagi khudongchaba amasu thamjari. Akupa marogi damak phone number 9774196710 asida khangbiba yagani.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center Kumja listing ama chawpan marifom doi ki hona chai kuntramanga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ne lereklaba Nauka gi Imphal Center ma hangjare TV ma phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam na tabangam da gi awaba mayok na di bana al koding mag wabi rugano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic tanga simak lension directuna completely invisible water resistant ama di rechargeable oidaba digital hearing aid hapiu tabangam gi pangal wala badom gi khang chana ba single power se tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phawai Sangbam Lekai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6009541159.
Leisure adongi damak salai mart home delivery service numit khudingi sizinaba household item FMCG grocery item fruits vegetables fish amadi chicken school college singi canteen institutional amadi hospital canteen supply masida sunatana isagi usop taksa hizanaba function program amadi taksangi seva phambiri basingna grocery item yumda leina order tawiba yagani cash amadi card ki payment tawiba yagani order tawiba matamda lupa 500 dagi tadana tawi akupa marol gi damak pizariba number asida call tawiro.
Hello pakhong ama chalake
chalune
chahi amagi plan tawge haradi
o phau pambi thabiyo
okay chahi taragi plan tawge haradi
u pambi thabiyo
chahi chamagi plan di
ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo
icha kaina afaba school haidi
lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba school du da dum changnaina coaching to honba
mama paga cha manana warak watembi ba
gym aerobic dance football thangta
mamang da 12 exam gi topper su putokhraba
khwaidigi chawba nanba khwaidigi phaba school
last ba khong kari school no
Slopeland Public School khongjom chumabra
chumme yam khangi ko
yes only Slopeland Public School khongjom.
Welcome back after the break. Ahead of the 139th birth anniversary of Adam Helen Keller on June 27, 3 saplings were planted in the surrounding areas of a site where a new building of special home for differently abled persons will be constructed under the Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur. Today's event was held under the supervision of Media Advisor of Relief Center, who is also the chief editor of the journal Fizigi Manilaktagi, Nimol Ningombam. The event was attended by Program Manager and Premier Singh, Project Consultant Bikram Luang, Rehabilitation Officer Karnajit Khoirom and several others. Ad hoc Committee of Manipur Amateur Boxing Association MABA organized a felicitation program for promoters of boxing today at Citizens Club, Soibom Laikai. On the occasion, MABA member Ketrimum Sarat said that contributions made by senior leaders and founders of MABA should be remembered by all.
Constant over the cinema Kakloxaracanta, Nasiga Sumba, Equi Lai or Gravamadi, Hoju Hingbiraga, Equi Ipa Saglava, Equi Fel Saglava, Yamba Saglava Mayam Sinja, Makung Pai do Korum Zaraga, Manipur se, Nasi Ladiva, Mericom de Henba, International Henma Mayamasi Putuna Bonabada, Mongola Sevat Nijaraga, Ownba, boxing own back and Makak Poroxi, I begin a colon to the Nasiga Sumba, Program as a Pantok 7 years.
The All Manipur Students Union AMSU Kurai branch under the supervision of AMSU Imphal East District will conduct an award-giving ceremony for the meritorious students of Kurai Assembly Constituency on June 23rd. 20 students of Class 10, 15 Science Stream students, 10 Arts students and 5 Commerce students who secured higher marks in the board and council examination will be awarded at the upcoming event. Interested persons can collect forms for the award from June 4th at AMSU Kurai branch office, Lamlong Kurai Higher Secondary School and AMSU headquarters, DM College, a release informed. Go Green Manipur and the Thangmaiban United Youth Club have jointly organized a painting competition in connection with World Environment Day at Apunba Laikai Community Hall, Thangmaiban Khomdram, Selungba Laikai today. The competition was held under the theme Safe Environment and Reduce Pollution. The All Manipur Gorkha Students Union AMGSU organized a one-day cleanliness program in honor of Shahid Subedar Niranjan Chetri at RIMS Hospital Complex today. Shahid Subedar Niranjan Chetri was hanged by the British at Kangla Gate on June 8, 1891. More than 250 people participated in the program. President of AMGSU LB Adhikari said the program was conducted to spread awareness on the importance of maintaining cleanliness. He also said that maintaining a hygienic environment in a place like RIMS is at most important.
Secondly, I appeal toning with the All Manipur Gorkha Student Union, Gi Maika the government the appeal toning was a department Kudinga, a grade 4 employees Lire, Aduga Mokoida, government Fazana, high command the Fazana department Kudinga, Mokoiga strong instruction Piraga. Mogi Tabak Taudoba Yade, Asi Taudoba Yade, Hiraga, Fazana, Asi cleanliness, Loinamak department, the Taubiro, Hiraga, government side the appeal towning.
Like every year, the Asa Club Kundrakpam has organized the 11 meritorious awards at the club's community hall today. Advisor of the club, El Mangi, said that earlier the award was presented to the meritorious students of the area covered by the club. However, from the last 2 years, the meritorious students within the jurisdiction of Jilla Parishad have also been covered.
First divisioner kai omi adubu akoi satr sing marakta hena sangdam ningba koi tana ningbagi asama langna ba haidna akoi marksi kitang wangkhalaga 70 gi above the laiba satr sing okbagi thabasi koi mawangi tam koi ani rak kumbadagi koi haujare mamangdadi.
Lalit Kala Sangam Music Institute Haingang Center at Unique Model Academy Haingang Mayai Laikai was inaugurated by Director of Department of Tourism W. Ibohal, Haingang Pradhan Konjengbam Jayanta Singh, Chairman Lalit Kala Sangam K. Sarachandra Singh and Chairman Lalit Kala Sangam Council B. Netachandra were present at the function. The institute, which is affiliated to Karagar University Chhattisgarh, has various courses ranging from Prathama to postgraduate for 8 years. For beginners, 2 years diploma course on the light vocal music Matam Isai Subham Sangit is available in the institute. The institute will help in making future-focused career and producing performing artists. Different branches of the institute have already produced a number of artists.
Performing art ko ba yamna chauba university amani madu makada koi institute asi affiliate tawjai maduna koi examiner na singba ari theory written paper ni singba loina university na parikha lorga degree moina pibi gadamni MA equivalent oiba sahi first year na 8 year bhog course ni ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯡꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗ vocal music, classical vocal music, light vocal music, violin, bansuri, flute, guitar, tabla, sinasingba tong-an subjects da kuin course ngasi hangdukse.
Mangal Educational Trust, along with the teachers of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur and Pitambara English School, Imphal, today felicitated Bhumika Samurai Latpam, the first position holder of the HSLC examination 2019, conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur at her residence in Awang Nauram Laikai, Imphal West. Speaking at the occasion, President of Mangal Educational Trust, Laishram Nisira, said that every student in the state should work hard with full dedication to become a topper in the examination. Bhumika said that her thinking has completely changed after she topped the exam, as she is now more determined to work harder after getting so much motivation from her teachers and others.
Exam thadre mamanga leramba aigi hanagi leramba aduga haujuki leibasiga sigi smaina felicitation sigi program simidagi engonda sidagi hena honaningba adumbasu sigumba fahan pohalle aduga sina engonda mathangi lakadoriba exam sing class 12 amadi ate exam sing dasu ai kan sigi kan honaraga sidagi hena mai papa ngumjage hai
sata singna Bhumika gi matau tamaga khoi lekai sida natraga khoi Manipur se machine yan ma thuknaba ma parents singna masa singda sata singda pogin training hai.
It's now time for another short break. Stay tuned.
Heritage Convent, Oripok Bachus Pati Laikai and Naramthong Kolem Laikai, Imphal. HSLCE 2019 at a glance. Congratulations, a school where winning is the habit. Superstars of Heritage gets a cash prize of ₹1 lakh each. Arena Wycombe, daughter of Wycombe Wilson Singh, 15th position, 92%. Total mark 552. Selina Laishram, daughter of L. Surchandra Singh, 20th position, 91.17%. Total mark 547. Sanjainbam Eric, son of Sanjainbam Naupa Singh, 22nd position, 90.83%. Total mark 545. Trailblazers gets a laptop each. Elangbam Lingjen Leibi, daughter of E. Naubi Singh, total mark 540, 90%. Henry Nauram, son of N. Nandeshore, total mark 530, 88.33%. Leo Tauchom, son of T.H. Romeo, total mark 527, 87.83%. K.H. Rohit Singh, son of K.H. Rameswar Singh, total mark 522, 87%. S. Veronica, daughter of S. Dhanachandra, total mark 516, 86%. R.K. Lamjingbatomtv, daughter of R.K. Joychandra, total mark 514, 85.67%. S. Debyarani Chanu, daughter of S. Biramangol Singh, total mark 511, 85.17%. And Narmada Devi, daughter of N. Thoiba Singh, total mark 511, 85.17%. Felicitation on 25th of May, Saturday at Haurang Sabal Heritage Campus number 3, opposite Haurang Police Station, Imphal West.
IPS, the Imphal Public Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, near Manipur University First Gate.
Admission opens for class 11, both Arts and Science.
Some highlights of the school: scholarship for meritorious students, strict discipline, separate hostels for boys and girls, gymnasium and fitness centers, guest professors and lecturers, smart classrooms, special concession for handicapped, OBC, ST and SCs, orphans, art and theatre, free education, free admission, separate study rooms for brilliant students, maximum first divisioners, letter mark holders, subject toppers, inspire awardees in the higher secondary examinations, direct admission for the wards of strict parents. IPS, top choice for your child career.
SN Girls Academy class 11 Science tamnana bagi admission form thajare. School sida qualified oiraba mani mapung phana train torbo oja singna takpi tambiri. Mapung phana same sarbak sukulai folam suna thamlaba laboratory sing. Sang naina weekly the monthly test pangthokli. Subject khuding mapan gi expert na counseling piri. Ngi mangal pibaga loinana fajaba moral character tambiduna lamdam sida nupi singi tha wakhal hanamgi pandam na linkatliba SN Girls Academy Sagolban NC Road Bijoy Govinda mamang lekai.
India की top university सिंगी मरक्ता अमा ओइरिबा Assam Downtown University Guwahati the Engineering Management Nursing Pharmacy Hotel Management Paramedical the Ming Chanbining Basingna Sitful Oidringai the Nasimak Lakpiduna Ming Chanbiyu Admission Office Assam Downtown University Babupara Bosemlerek Imphal
Mahai
Manipurda ahan moina UPSC, MPSC na loba, IAS, IPS amadi MCS na chingba exam singi preparation khakta da yumpham oiba amadi hiram asida khang heiraba oza sing khakta na lamjing lamtakpa institute ni mahai faculty sing asi UPSC exam gi experience leiraba masa masa gi subject ta mapung phana qualified oiraba oza sing Manipur dagi IAS, IPS amadi MCS na singba services ta mai pakpa candidate sing puthokpa haibasina mahai gi pandamni mahai na exam asiga mari leinaba course khudingma quality leina affordable oiba fees ta fangali hotna janingba thawai yaujaba mahiroi singidamak makhal kaya gi scholarship ki tengmangsu piri lengsin biraksi mahai Civil Services Institute Kwakatel Bazaar.
Welcome back after the break. Social activist and Panach Mrs. India 2019 winner Kangibam Henthoi Leima has been conferred the prestigious Indian of the Year 2019 award by GPAN. The award was handed over to her during a function held at JMD Banquet Hall, Surat, Gujarat. 63rd Lening Thau Khoripaba Harauba Festival is underway, jointly organized by Imoinu Irat Luk and Pipal Pukri Handloom Committee from May 31st, which will be concluded on June 4th at Lanka No. 1 Pipal Pukri of Hojai district. Lanka Pukri is inhabited by around 350 Meitei households, and it is said that they have a very advanced culture since many years.
Mana ngamjaba sembang khara thangdok jaraga ikoi matam amada Manipur gi Sanamahi temple bod haina khangnai rami hojingna putra loisang hairaga khangnarba amai bi mami hoina panjarabada ikoi gi nungsijarba iteruko mahaki luching makhada ikoi lamdamasida putra gi maikai dagi chahi kuncha manga ro chukna makoina haraura khapani makoi gi matawase ikoi na ngasi male masida putpa ngamai habase ikoi na ngasi
The Assam Manipur Sahitya Parishad Hojai District Committee organized an award distribution program for meritorious students who secured higher marks in the Class 10 Board and Class 12 Council Examinations 2019 at the Parishad office today. Hojai District Committee has been organizing the program for the past 1 decade. A Sahasrasima Bal Jawan was killed and 4 others were injured in an encounter between the security forces and Maoists in Dumka district of Jharkhand early this morning. At least 5 ultras also suffered bullet injuries in the encounter, but they retreated into the forest of Taldangal where a search operation was conducted. During the shootout, 5 SSB personnel suffered bullet injuries and one of them, identified as Neeraj Chetri, a resident of Sonitpur district of Assam, died. The Prime Minister of Nepal, KP Oli, has extended an invitation to the Indian counterpart, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, to visit his country and strengthen bilateral relations through regular exchange of visit during his visit to New Delhi to attend the swearing-in ceremony of Modi Government 2.0. Modi, during his first tenure as Prime Minister, had earlier visited Nepal twice in 2014, in August for a bilateral visit and in November for the SAARC summit. Oli was on a 2-day visit to New Delhi along with leaders of other BIMS, TEC, Bangladesh, India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Nepal and Bhutan countries to take part in Prime Minister Modi's swearing-in ceremony held on Thursday. The two leaders underlined the importance of regular exchange of high-level visits between the two countries in order to further strengthen bilateral ties and advance cooperation in all possible areas for a mutual benefit of the two countries. China's Defense Minister Wei Fenghe said that a war with the United States would be disaster for the world, while issuing a warning to Washington not to meddle in security disputes over Taiwan and the South China Sea. China has been incensed by recent moves by US President Donald Trump's administration to increase support of self-rule and democratic Taiwan, including US Navy sailings through the Taiwan Strait that separates the island from mainland China. Wei, the first Chinese defense minister to speak at the Shangri-La dialogue since 2011, said Beijing's military operation in Asia were purely aimed at self-defense. but it would not hesitate to counter an attack on its interests. Wei said, cautioning that there would be dire consequences to any clash between China and the United States. The two sides released that conflicts or a war between them would be disaster to both countries and the world. Before we wind up the top stories once again, Robert Norim upset over fabricated media reports on his mother's death. Exorbitant price of rice in Manipur takes heavy toll on people. And local clubs play big role in shaping Manipur society, says Minister Karam Shyam. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Times of Manipur.